Storage and inventory management. Inventory tracking and management software. In cryogenic storage systems, managing and tracking biological samples such as sperm, eggs, oocytes, and embryos is critical for maintaining the integrity, accessibility, and traceability of these materials. Inventory tracking and management software play a key role in ensuring that biological materials are stored securely and can be easily retrieved when needed. These software systems are designed to improve efficiency, reduce human error, and ensure that compliance with regulatory requirements is met. This section will explore the importance of inventory tracking and management software in cryogenic storage systems, focusing on features, benefits, and best practices for implementing such software systems. 1. Importance of inventory tracking and management software. Inventory management software is essential for the efficient tracking of cryopreserved samples, especially in high-volume environments such as fertility clinics, IVF laboratories, and sperm egg banks. It ensures that all samples are properly labeled, tracked, and stored under optimal conditions. Additionally, it helps streamline retrieval processes, improves organization, and reduces the risk associated with mislabeling, misplacement, or sample loss. Key aspects include traceability. Software ensures every sample is accounted for and can be tracked throughout its entire life cycle, from collection and freezing to thawing and use. Real-time updates. Inventory systems provide real-time data regarding the location and status of each sample. Compliance. Inventory software helps ensure regulatory compliance with standards set by organizations like FDA, AABB, and ISO. Second, key features of inventory tracking and management software. Modern inventory tracking systems for cryogenic storage are equipped with various features that enhance accuracy, efficiency, and security. These features include barcode and RFID integration, barcode scanning, and RFID radio frequency. Identification technologies enable easy tracking of samples at every stage of cryopreservation. Each sample vial is assigned a unique identifier, such as a barcode or RFID tag, allowing for real-time scanning and tracking. RFID allows hands-free tracking and reduces the risk of human error during sample retrieval. Real-time monitoring. Inventory systems can be integrated with monitoring systems, e.g. temperature and liquid nitrogen level sensors, to ensure that samples are maintained in optimal conditions. Alerts can be set to notify staff if there is a deviation in storage conditions, such as temperature fluctuations or low liquid nitrogen levels, that may jeopardize sample viability. Database and sample searchability. Inventory software maintains a centralized database of all stored samples, which can be accessed via a searchable interface. The system tracks critical data such as sample ID, e.g. patient ID, collection date, sample type, cryopreservation method, e.g. vitrification, slow freezing, storage conditions, e.g. liquid nitrogen level, temperature, expiration date, if applicable, sample retrieval and accessibility. Automated retrieval systems can be integrated with inventory management software, allowing staff to easily retrieve stored samples based on a unique identifier, e.g. barcode or RFID. User-friendly interfaces enable lab technicians to locate and retrieve samples quickly and efficiently. Audit trails and reporting. The software maintains an audit trail of all sample movements and activities, including storage and thawing actions. Detailed reports can be generated to provide insights into sample usage, storage history, and temperature logs, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Regulatory compliance reports help ensure that the clinic or lab is meeting industry standards. Inventory control and stock management. Inventory control features help monitor the quantity of cryovials, straws, and other storage containers, ensuring that adequate stock is available for labeling and sample storage. Stock management tracks supplies and ensures that storage containers are appropriately sized for the types of samples being stored. 3. Benefits of inventory tracking and management software. The use of specialized software for inventory tracking and management provides several benefits to fertility clinics, IVF labs, and cryogenic storage facilities, efficiency and time saving. Automated tracking reduces the time spent manually searching for and labeling samples. Faster retrieval of samples minimizes delays in fertilization and embryo transfer procedures, improving overall treatment timelines. Reduced human error. Barcode or RFID systems significantly reduce the likelihood of mislabeling or misplacing samples. Automation eliminates the need for manual tracking, decreasing the risk of human error in sample management. Improved organization. Centralized databases provide a single, easy-to-access location for all sample data. The ability to search for samples by various criteria such as patient ID or collection date enhances organization and improves lab workflow. Increased compliance. Compliance with regulatory standards is facilitated by the software's ability to generate reports and maintain audit trails for all stored materials. The software also helps meet industry guidelines for cryogenic storage, which can be especially important in regulated environments. Enhanced security. Real-time monitoring and alerts ensure that samples are kept in optimal conditions and mitigate risks associated with temperature fluctuations or system failures. Software systems can be integrated with security measures such as access controls to ensure only authorized personnel have access to sensitive sample data. Fourth, best practices for implementing inventory tracking software. To ensure the optimal use of inventory tracking and management software, the following best practices should be followed. 1. Select the right software for your facility. Choose a software system that is compatible with your facility's size, sample volume, and specific needs. Consider software that offers integration with temperature monitoring systems and automated retrieval systems. Second, regular training for staff. Provide comprehensive training for all relevant staff members on how to use the software, including how to label samples, retrieve data, and generate reports. 3. Maintain data integrity. Regularly update and audit the software to ensure data accuracy. Ensure backups of the software data are done regularly to avoid data loss. 4. Conduct routine system checks. Perform routine checks to ensure that barcode scanners, RFID tags, and other hardware are functioning properly, and that software updates are applied as needed. Monitor software performance and address any issues proactively. 5. Conclusion. Inventory tracking and management software is a critical tool for cryogenic storage systems, ensuring that sperm, eggs, and embryos are stored securely and can be easily retrieved when needed. By incorporating features such as barcode RFID integration, real-time monitoring, sample traceability, and regulatory compliance, these software systems streamline sample management and ensure the viability and integrity of cryopreserved biological materials. Efficient inventory management not only increases operational efficiency, but also ensures patient safety and compliance with industry standards.